everyone. This is going good. Now, this is fish blood. It's blood cells, but there's lots of blood. Now, as you can see, we are getting some very cool. All those little red dots, you can see a bit of blue. All those little red dots are just blood cells. There's a cluster in the middle you can see, and lots of it around it. Now, why do they have blue middles, Dad?
That's just the background, buddy.
Oh. So the real stuff is the red?
Yep, those little cells, the red with the purple inside, those are blood cells.
Ah.
The big one's a cluster. What experiment are we in? Do you remember?
We are in the 20th.
This is our 20th science experiment, isn't it? Are you drinking your Sleepy while we're actually doing this?
Yum.
Yummy. Okay. Say goodbye to everyone.
Bye. Have a good thing, and we will put this on Facebook.
And tomorrow's Halloween, so happy Halloween! Mwah-ha-ha-ha-ha-ha. Your turn.
Woo! Just letting you know, don't tell anyone.